Okay, next is number 2. A car is travelling with a velocity of 70 meter per second on a straight horizontal highway. The wheels of the car have the radius of 48 centimeter. If the car then speed up with the acceleration of 2 meter per second square for 5 seconds. Calculate the number revolution in the wheels during this period. So means that the question asks you to calculate number of revolution. Means that dia adalah relate dengan theta. Okay, so kita kena cari dulu angular displacement for this case. But remember that they give you velocity and acceleration in terms of linear motion. So we have to change in rotational motion equation. So first, you kena cari dulu the value of omega. Omega is equal to, sekejap kita guna V is equal to R omega. Kan? Okay, V is equal to R omega. So, awak nak cari omega. So, means that V is divided by R. V is 17 meter per second is divided by 0.48 lah. Saya dah tukar dalam sentimeter kan. So, kita tukar dalam meter. Tak pun kita tulis lah. Okay, 70 divided by 48 times 10 to power of negative 2. So, kita akan dapat 35 sorry. 412 rasanya. Okay, nanti awak kira lah balik. Radian per second. And then, untuk A pun sama juga kita kena buat. Okay, A adalah acceleration is equal to R alpha. Alpha is equal to A over R, where A acceleration is 2 divided by 48 times 10 to power of negative 2. And then we'll get 4.17 radian per second. Okay? So, macam besar pula tulisan saya. Sekejap, dah ikut semua pula dah. Okay. Ikut juga. Okay, tak apalah. Alright. So, times dah. Radian per second. Itu unit. RAD. Okay. So, dah dapat omega in terms of radian per second. And alpha juga dah dapat dalam in term of radian per second square. Okay. So, kita nak calculate number of revolution. So, number of revolution is theta. So, theta, formula yang ada relate lah. Kita ada apa dalam ni? Kita ada omega, initial. Kita ada alpha dan kita ada T. Kita nak cari theta. So, kita boleh guna theta is equal to omega naught T plus half alpha T square. So, theta nak cari omega naught adalah 35.42. 42 ke 41 Sekejap 17 bahagi dengan 48 eksponen negatif 2. 4.2. Okay, times with T is 5 second. Half. Alpha is 4.17 and T is 5 power of 2. And then you will determine the value of, okay, value dia adalah 229 something yang ada, sekejap, kita ada perpuluhan ni. Okay, 35.42 times with 5 plus with half times with times with 4.17 times with 25. Okay, so 229.25. 22 radian. So, we need to change in number of revolution. You kena bahagikan dengan theta bahagi dengan 2 pi. Okay, so you akan dapat bahagi dengan 2 pi. So, 36.48. Dia dua versi Sama ada you nak equivalent, dia boleh jadi 36 revolution. Sebab satu putaran selagi tak lengkap 36.99 pun you punya revolution adalah 36. Macam tu lah. Okay. Sebenarnya dua-dua dia terima. Okay. Setakat ni dua-dua diterima. So tak payah takut lah. Okay. So next adalah B. Angular speed of the wheel after 5 second. Maksudnya tadi kita ada omega naught, kita ada alpha dan kita ada t during 5 second dan dia suruh kita cari berapa angular speed. Maksudnya selepas 5 second tu lah. Selepas 5 second berapa velocity dia. Jadi kita guna formula ni. Okay, so omega is equal to omega naught plus alpha t. And then omega naught is 35.42. Biasakan ambil 2 decimal Okay, t plus width alpha is 4.17 and then t is 5 second. Okay, so 4.17 times width 5 plus width 35.42. So you dapat 56.27 radian per second. Okay, good job. I know you can do it better than me. Okay, next question 3. A blade of ceiling fan has radius of 0.4 meter, is rotating about a fixed axis with an initial angular velocity of 0.5 revolution per second, then angular acceleration of the blade is 0.75 revolution per second square. Determine the angular velocity after 4 seconds. So angular velocity after 4 seconds means the question asks you to calculate the omega final during 4 seconds. But remember that the unit for omega and acceleration is not the unit SI for omega, so you have to change first in radian per second. So velocity means omega naught is equal to 0.15 times with 2 pi, because 1 revolution is equivalent to 2 pi. So we get 0.3 pi radian per second. And then for alpha, okay, alpha given is 0.750 times with 2 pi. So we get 1.50 pi radian per second square. Okay, so now we have changed already the omega and alpha in unit SI. So determine the angular velocity by using formula. We have omega naught, we have alpha. We want to determine omega, and then the given is time. So omega naught, alpha, omega and t. Jadi formula dia sesuai adalah omega is equal to omega naught plus alpha t. Okay, omega, nak cari omega naught is 0.3 pi plus with alpha is 1.50 pi times with 4 second. Okay, so we get the value is 19.79 ms, or ms pula, radian per second. Okay. So next question is number of revolution for the blade turns in this time interval. So dia nak number of revolution, so kita cari dulu dia punya theta. So theta is, nak cari theta dulu lah, sebab number of revolution adalah n is equal to theta divided by 2 pi. So we need to determine the theta first. So theta is equal to omega naught t plus half alpha t square. Yang ni yang paling sesuai kot, sebab yang ada cukup maklumat kan. Omega naught is 0.3 pi, so t is 4 second, plus with half alpha is 1.5 pi, okay, times with 4 and then power of 2. So we determine the value of theta is 41.47. Sekejap. 41 radian. So theta, number of revolution is equal to theta divided by 2 pi. So we get the value is a 6.60 revolution. Okay, dia macam lari sikit lah sebab mungkin decimal point dia tak ada masalah. Okay saja. Alright, so next adalah C, tangential speed of a point on the tip of blade at time t is equal to 4 seconds. So dia nak tangential speed, dia lah velocity biasa lah. Okay, V. So V is equal to R omega. You tak boleh ambil omega final sebab dia nak blade at time t sama dengan 4 second. Maksudnya omega final selepas 4 second lah kan. Okay, so R adalah, berapa tadi dia bagi? 0.4 And then times with omega. 0.4 times with omega. Kita di berapa? 19.79. Okay, so yang ni dapat jawapan dia lebih kurang lah. 7.919. 7.91. Okay, 92 lah. 7.92. Okay, so radian is ms -1. Okay, tangential velocity. Alright, so tu je, simple kan?